In so many places in my life I'm scared, but when I'm up here, when I'm with you guys, I feel ease. I feel like everything is fine, and I really owe so much of that to you, and I'm grateful, guys. I truly am. I don't take it for granted to be an artist in 2025 and to come back and to sell out a show like this, and it's a beautiful thing. Thank you. Travel around a lot, and you get to see as an artist all the differences in all these countries and places. And the beautiful thing for me is that I get to look out at the crowd and I get to see what I believe is the next generation. I feel a lot of hope. I see the most inclusive, vibrant, brilliant, bright, loving, open, accepting people. It's a really hopeful thing for me.